fact that there has been more detentions, more cases being unearthed, more of the violators being brought to book shows the efficacy of the government and of the various interventions that the government has announced. Earlier on, a lot of things were happening in a manner which was totally hidden. Everything was shoved under the carpet. But what you are seeing now, the intervention by police, for instance, and also the detention that is happening under the PITS NDPS, which cases are now being processed for the final act of forwarding the same to the board, which is sitting as soon as the MCC will be lifted, shows that we are in fact cracking with all our might against these various violators, whether they are people engaged in trafficking or those engaged in indulging in consumption of these narcotics.